and welcome to this GCSE class. After this video, you should be able to explain what is meant by atom, element, compound, and mixture. Look around you. You will see different things such as plastic. You can also see wooden objects. You can also see plates I have here. And also I've got my pen, my marker. What are they made up of? They are made up of tiny little bits, tiny particles called atom. For example, a container of salt I'm holding here contains millions of atoms. Millions of atoms made up this container of salt. So, atom is the building block of all matter, and matter can be classified as elements, mixture, and compound. Elements is made up of only one atom only. That is elements. Examples: magnesium, chlorine, oxygen. Oh, hang on, you'll be asking, why is oxygen an example of elements? It is. I understand it has two here, that is O2. But if you look at it, you will find that it's only one atom, one type of atom, which is oxygen. How about this? NH3. Can this be an example of elements? No. Ammonia is not an example of elements. Ammonia is an example of compound. So compound contains two or more elements chemically combined together. It must be chemically combined together. When you're answering it, when you're putting it down, you're writing about it, it must be chemically combined. Two or more elements chemically combined together. That is compound. Examples: water. Water is a good example of a compound. Sodium chloride, calcium carbonate are examples of compound. I want you to take note. The component elements of a given compound are always present in a fixed volume by mass. What do I mean? For example, water is a compound formed as a result of combination between hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed ratio by mass, in a fixed ratio of 2:1 respectively. So, I'll take you to, that takes us to mixture. Mixture contains two or more constituents not chemically combined together. Remember what we said about compound. Compound is two or more chemically combined, but for mixture is not chemically combined, but it consists of two or more constituents not chemically combined. It can be separated using physical method. What are the physical methods that can be used in separating mixture? The physical methods such as filtration, chromatography, crystallization can be used in separating mixtures. Example of mixture is something like salt in water. If I put salt in this plate, you see here, this is a bowl, a plate. I put salt here and then put some water. That gives us solution of salt and water. If I want to separate this water from salt, that will make me to use a process called crystallization in separating salt and water. All this separation process, we'll be looking at them in our later class. I hope you enjoyed this class. Thanks for watching my video.